Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk about how to close a trust. Before we get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, how to close a trust. This was legit a call that I got today from somebody. I ended up just telling them how to do it. I didn't even charge them a dime. So always giving here at CMS Law Firm. But for real, it was something that I had known how to do, but I actually just checked and made sure that I knew how to do it, and I did. So closing a trust involves a couple different steps. So as long as there are assets in the trust cannot be closed. So to close the trust, you're going to distribute all of the assets. What you are required to do, if there are assets in the trust and you're going to distribute them and close the trust, what you typically will do, or what you're required to do by law, is send each beneficiary a statement that essentially says, this is a final distribution from the trust. If you are in disagreement with this final distribution, you have 30 days to contest the finality of this distribution, or it will be done and the trust will essentially be terminated and be closed. Okay, so that is how you sort of end. Tammy, you're welcome. That is sort of how you formally do it with the beneficiaries of the trust, to let them know that the trust is going to be closing. Okay, it's very much to the way that you close a probate. It's a little more formal with probate because court's involved. But essentially you're filing something and sending notice to the heirs that says you have 30 days to contest that this is done, or it's done, okay? Now that's sort of step one. Step two is then sort of wrapping up all of the loose ends. Before you're gonna be able to close the trust, you're gonna wanna have made sure that all the real estate was distributed, any securities and stocks were distributed, all that kind of stuff. Obviously all the cash is distributed. So you are probably going to have bank accounts or investment accounts or some sort of accounts that have zero balances that are just floating out around there. I would encourage you as the trustee to go to those financial institutions and just close those accounts. That way they're not lingering. That way you don't have to worry about it later. That way everything is sort of wrapped up real tight and tidy. There's no real way to, there's no formal way to close the trust because the trust is private anyway. So no one really knows. Essentially, there won't be any assets left in the trust. There won't be anything left to distribute out of the trust. The trust will be closed. So that's how you do it. It's not that hard. If you need help, we can help you. In this particular case, with this particular potential client, they didn't even need to do the notice just because of some very specific things that they were doing. But that is how you do it. All right. So that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, hit the like button. Tammy, thank you for the comment. Keep me coming back for more. If you have a question that you want to have answered, ask it. I will answer it here as always. And if you have any special things that you need related to estate planning or probate and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can go to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that is it for today. Thank you all of you for watching. I come in a little bit later today. Maybe you guys are available. I love it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you. And I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.